Welcome back everyone. We have now completed the core sections in this course. Math, search and sorting algorithms are fundamentals that you should know as a developer. For the last section, let's go over a few miscellaneous problems. The Cartesian product of two sets, the climbing staircase problem, and the Tower of Hanoi problem. The Cartesian product solution has a time complexity which we haven't seen so far. The climbing staircase problem is a good interview problem, and the Tower of Hanoi is a great example of how recursion can simplify the solution to a problem. Of course, there are hundreds of other great problems out there, but unfortunately, we don't have time for all of them. The hope is that by the end of this course, you will have the problem-solving mindset and on your own, Google and understand the solutions to various problems. Now the approach for this section as well remains the same. I'll start off by mentioning the problem statement. What is the ask from us? I will then request you to pause the video and try solve the problem. We will then implement the solution together. I highly recommend you code along with me rather than just watching the video. Finally, we will determine the big O time complexity of our solution. Alright, let's get started with Cartesian product of two sets in the next video.